Hello guys, today we are discussing about how to move your character in 2D animations, applying the 2D animation and how to move left character and right character. Here is example of Mario character. If you press left button, it will move towards left. If you press right button, it will move towards right. So how can we build this script and this animation and this character, how to customize this character? So start. First of all, we need a sprite sheet. Sprite sheet is a combination and multiple characters sheet like that. If I show you, so here is, you see this is a sprite sheet. Okay, when you import the sprite sheet, it's look like this, and here you see the single value. Okay, you need to change this to the multiple. After that, you just create the sprite editor. After click on the sprite editor, you need to slice this sprite editor like automatic towards like a grid by cell count, and here is a column. If you click on this column, one column, two column and three columns, and here we have a rows, one row, two row. Okay, so in case of one column, if I provide it three and it is the two row, then you slice this, it will slice to like this. Okay, because I have all 6 characters, and the combination of animation is I have just you see this is a right animation combination and this is the left animation combination, as I show you through this script. Okay, when you close this button, you have to click on apply, and then you see this like this. Okay, in case you need to make a simple code, so your character will be moved left and right, as I make a script like that, and you can see this script will be pasted towards on the download is my character, and you can see this is my script. Okay, in character script, you just need to focus on 2 parts, because update function will be update function called once per frame, and it work like loop. So you need to provide the vector horizontal and new vector input to get access. So what is the meaning of this? Get access means you just click pressing button like left and right. So what happening there? Okay, when I press button left and right, the transform dot position will be the transform and horizontal to the time delta time. So here I have a 3 lines of code, and this 3 lines of code will show you a lot of things. Alright, it's okay. Okay, fine. So after that, we just makes animation. So we combine animation like idle. We have 3 animation. First idle, second left, and third is right. So click on window, animation and animation. So here you see this, I have 3 scripts, 3 animations like idle, run left and run right. Okay, in run right, you press play button, it will work like this, as you see in a window. If I click on run left, so it will work like this, run left. Okay, how I make these animations? When I click on this is the idle. Okay, in case of idle, I just pasted a one picture of my sprite sheet into the animation window. In case when I created a run left animation, I have 3 pictures from this sprite sheet. As you see, I have 3 pictures, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 combination pictures will make a simple animation. When you paste it towards this, here is a sample of 16. I just change it to the 12, all the clips of animation. In case of run right, we have also the 3 combination of pictures, download 2, 3 and 4, like this and this. Here is also a 60 per frames, but I just pasted 12. After that, you need to focus on the animator window. In animator window, we have 3 states. First is run left, run right and idle. In any state, you just make idle is a by default. Click on any state, In any state towards the left, we have a transition. In transition, in settings, you just need to uncheck this, this, and this. In case we have the conditions, horizontal is less than 0. When you play this animation, your starting point will be the idle and second one will be the left and left, and you need to change this to the 0. In also the same case, it also happened in the run left. Has exit time is unchecked, fixed duration is unchecked, and here is also 0. And the condition of horizontal is greater than 0.001 in minus. What happening is here, and what is the condition of horizontal? You just make a parameters in the animator. In parameter, you have to apply the type of float like 0.00. In horizontal, we are actually get the horizontal parameter and makes an animation and control the animation through this horizontal variable. After all, in case of any state to the run light, you just make the transition. In transition form, you just see the horizontal greater than 0 and run right to the also this. So this is the animation controller, and how we call this animation animator controller to the script. I just made this script like public animator and animator. In animator, I just set plot horizontal, input get access and horizontal. This will the parameter, this is the parameter, and this is the value of float which is set it to the horizontal. As I apply the value, this is the values. While you click on the play button, it will move. When you press right arrow, so it will move towards right. When you press left arrow, it will move towards left. I hope you understand how to character animation and how to move character using Sprite sheet. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel and share to your friends, and make your hobby and make and build a 2D games. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.